welcome. First of all, anybody who is new here, I want to say hello. I am Lisa from the Yohos. Mark is busy working away today, but anybody who has returned to a video or two knows who I am, knows that I like to ramble on. So I'm going to try to keep it short and keep it sweet because I have things to do today. I'm so excited. You guys, we're going on a Mediterranean cruise. My parents, my brother and his family, myself, Mark and our little family, all of us, the whole fam jam are going. We leave in less than a week, so I gotta get my butt in gear and start packing. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I wasn't going to do this video. One of my friends said, why don't you do it? You never know, you might give somebody a little pointer here and there, which I doubt it. But regardless, when we went on vacation to California, it was like a whirlwind of packing. Like, I was not prepared, you guys. It just come out of, you know what, no traveling for the past couple of years, and then bam, here's this big trip to California. And it was epic. If you haven't seen any of those videos, I will link them below. Let's get on with it. Let's show you what I do. I don't know, like I say, if this is gonna give you guys any tips or any pointers. And if you guys have any comments, put them in the section below. Maybe myself or other people might gain on the comments because everybody's got tips and tricks for when they travel and I like to hear them. I'm sure everybody else will too. Let's do this. So excited, you guys. I'm so excited. First thing I would say when you're about to pack your suitcase, notice that I still have my tag on from our last trip. So let's just leave it at that. So let's be real though. There's already stuff in this suitcase. I'll tell you why later on in the video. So let's just carry on here. I also want to mention you should probably just check all the wheels to make sure they're working. Maybe just give them a little wipe because the ground that you're walking on, yeah, we all know how disgusting that is. So, and don't put them on your bed when you get into the hotel or the room that you're staying in. That's disgusting, you guys. Make sure you put the zippers up at the top when you are, even just when you're finished. Make sure the zippers go to the top because if you have to ever, like, for some reason take something out quickly at the airport, they're here. You don't have to go fumbling. That happened before. Okay, I am going to make a list of the days, excursions that were going on, the beach days maybe, potentially, all of the different things the different days are going to entail and see kind of from there what I feel like I need to wear that day. There's dogs playing in our backyard and my window is wide open, so just please pause. Okay, so what I was saying here is I kept my suitcase out a week, at least a week before. I'm not the last minute packer because I can't, my heart can't handle it. And I just collect all of my new clothes, all the things that I might want to wear, my bathing suit cover-ups, all of my things that I am not using right now because it's still May. Not an easy angle, people. Not an easy angle. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna take all of this stuff out and just place it on the bed. All of this new stuff, minus the stuff from Temu, which is only a couple outfits and I'm totally fine with them. All of this stuff is very new within the last week and a half. So I know that I can take it back if I decide I didn't want it. So that's why I left the tags on. But I like them. I'm okay with my decisions. Hat is for Mark. Excuse Josh. I just looked over. It's random. I'm bringing masks because I don't know. I'm obviously not bringing this box. Again, I saw it downstairs in the front hall closet and I just threw it in my suitcase and then I dealt with it later because I knew in my brain I saw it and I grabbed it and I put it away because I don't know about the countries that we're going to, if maybe they still require face masks in some of the stores, so at least we have ourselves covered. Get it? Oh, hey, somewhere that you do not see me ever coming from. But I just looked at and I just saw my very glamorous shower cap and my little makeup wipies and my hairband, which women all know this whole situation here. I am going to now, I know that these are fresh and clean, these little face wipies. I'm just gonna take them and put them in my suitcase or over on my pile on my bed. I know that I might need these because when you're having a good hair day, ladies, you don't want to mess it up for the next day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know you do. So I was just putting my earrings in thinking I need to bring earrings and jewelry and such. And when I was cleaning my closet, I thought instead of like finding a rinky-dink way to like fold things up and store your earrings, your dangly earrings and things, why don't I just splurge, treat myself and get, hold on, cute little box. Like how cute is that? I'll show you what's in it. I do bring a lot of earrings. So all of my like little earrings up at the top here, this here, and just kind of mushed it to the back, and oops, one of them escaped. I just put all these earrings in here, like my bigger, well, those mean business. Look at how big those hoops are, but they're so pretty. They match my rings. I found it quite handy. I think it was like 10 bucks. Wow, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm pretty sure I don't need 5, especially 3. Well, maybe I do. See, I don't know yet. Let me just work on this. Is that another pair of bottoms? That's another pair of bottoms. Oh my. So after figuring out some outfits, I just want to try everything on and make sure it fits. It's definitely a winter fancy dinner. And make sure I have the right shoes to go with it, the right undergarments, etc. I don't know about these. So now it's just time to load everything back up into the suitcase. Now, I don't know, I'm not much of a roller. Mark is a hardcore roller, not me. I like to roll things and wiggle things into spots and just see what's what, but that's just how I do it. I don't know. Are you guys a roller or are you a stacker? Comment in the section below. Or are you a bit of both like me? Just a little tip, you guys. I know that a lot of airlines, you cannot have your luggage over 50 pounds. So keep an eye on that one for sure. This toiletry bag, I kind of keep stocked somewhat like this at all times. I like to just hang it off the door and then nothing falls out. Because we do a lot of overnight stays at friends' house out of town, so I like to keep this stuff on hand and just kind of replenish it as we run out. So I've got all kinds of stuff in here. I've got Advil, I've got Tylenol, I've got Static Guard, I've got Listerine, I've got you name it, I've got it in here, you guys. I also have a running list of things that I have to pack last minute. But regardless, you guys, why not bring it? Because I'm sure if you have to buy it on the ship or any kind of vacation, you're going to pay a high price for it. So I got it. I'm using it. Well, I hope I don't have to use it, but you know what I mean. I'm also going to bring this sunscreen. I might as well bring the 2-pack, but I am going to put it in this little, just this bag that actually folds up. And I can put it in my purse in case we buy any souvenirs or treasures. It folds right down into my little bag, so that's handy to bring. That way you can just have a bag with you. So I'm just going to put these, if by some chance they explode on the plane, which God help me if they do, I'm just going to put them in here. I guess I'm hoping it would be less mess, but again, I don't know. I'm just going to tuck those here and best. So that is that. Hopefully I don't need anything else because I'll have to buy it there. So you guys, as always, we want to thank you so much for stopping by. And hey, if you are new here and if you liked this video, why don't you hit that subscribe button? That way you can catch up on all of our other videos. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again. I'm so excited.